Cyber has no borders, right? It's a global problem. It doesn't stop at a country line. Our members are headquartered in 17 European countries, and we have members that exist and do operations in every country in Europe.
Our company is in the Netherlands, and we have an office as well in Boston, Massachusetts.
I came here from Poland.
I came from Prague.
We have a mixture of hospitals, big pharmaceutical companies, and of course like the Health-ISAC organization as such.
Each country has its own cyber regulations, cybersecurity enforcement agencies. So that is difficult to manage.
We need to make sure that everyone is working as one to collaborate and coordinate together when cyber incidents and threats arise.
It's fantastic to have an event in Dublin where you can meet colleagues from other organisations across Europe.
I'm here today to network and increase my awareness on cybersecurity industry best practices.
Things are always changing. Geopolitical issues increasing a certain level of cyber threat and risk due to that.
Broad range of topics on discussion, everything from ChatGPT to data lakes to threat response, threat intelligence.
I talked to the group about sharing our experiences and lessons learned.
I'm going to talk about the latest legal framework which is coming in Europe, Network Information Security 2, and we need to make sure we understand the new directive.
How other people are solving some of the challenges that we're seeing, and really letting people know how we're solving some of the challenges that they're seeing.
We're able to create networking opportunities so people can build relationships so that when an incident happens, they know who they're dealing with. Everyone went over to the Mary Ploughboy and we got a taste of Ireland. We got to see the Irish music and the Irish dancing and have a great meal together.
They're creating relationships with people they may not have met, but they know they can lean into in times of need.
Networking with my peers, meeting like-minded people, sharing ideas, that's why I'm here.
People that are here are talking and they obviously have really good relationships over years and years.
The ability to draw on a multitude of organizations globally 24/7 I think is really important. A cyber attack against one organization or one member of Health-ISAC is probably going to have some impact to others.
We'll look to take the lessons learned and see how we can improve what we're doing.
It's been brilliant. We've had workshops, in Prague, in London, and in Dublin. You're networking, you're meeting the people again, building really good relationships across Europe.
It's ever evolving and I just keep on learning as I go, and that's what keeps me going.
In the end of the day, we are in it together.
We're all in this together.
We're all in this together.